Even though it's only January, Samsung is already getting ready to release its new phone, the Galaxy S24. This is likely to be one of the biggest phone releases of 2024. The exact date of the Galaxy Unpacked event is Wednesday, January 17th. The big show will take place at the Samsung Center in San Jose, California, at 10 a.m. Pacific Time and 1 p.m. Eastern Time. You can watch the event live, just like the other Galaxy Unpacked events. It will be streamed live on YouTube and Samsung's other sites. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked show is coming up soon. There have been many leaks about the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, so the show should be interesting. All future phones will probably be judged by these new ones. If the Galaxy S23 Ultra from last year is any sign, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will definitely be great. Each new product from Samsung seems to raise the bar even more. But its spot on our list of the best camera phones could be in danger because of one important thing about how its camera is said to be set up. We have a good idea of what to expect from Samsung's new release thanks to recent leaks. But there is still one big thing we don't know: whether Samsung will stick with the 10x optical telephoto lens they used before or switch to a 5x lens. With the help of AI, Samsung might be able to make the image quality better if it does decide to use a 5x lens. This function, called Zoom for Galaxy AI, might be able to match or even beat the optical quality that's already there. When we talk about AI, there's no question that features that use AI will be a big selling point for the Galaxy S24 series. The company already said that Samsung has some interesting plans for Galaxy AI in 2024. It's possible that these plans will bring Samsung's AI technology, which we've already seen in the Pixel 8 Pro. The company is likely to release an AI picture generator and tools for editing photos and videos with AI. We hope that these AI tools won't be locked behind a paywall though. It is said that the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will have improved Super AMOLED screens that can get as bright as 2600 nits. Both will have 3 cameras, but the Galaxy S24 Plus will have a bigger battery. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip is likely to power all 3 phones. But the Exynos 2400 chip may be used in some units sold in other countries for now. Before Galaxy Unpacked 2024, Samsung is giving people a chance to pre-order its new gadgets at a discount. If you want to buy these phones, you can reserve them on Samsung's website or through the Samsung shop until January 16th and get a $50 reserve credit. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.